Coming from the noisy city of New Delhi, India to the US, I was greeted with the sound of silent suburbs. But when I got to the mission, it was like being back home. Well, almost. Not quite as loud as Delhi.
The music is what defines it for me. Up and down Mission Street, all the shops always playing like reggaeton, cumbia. Love it. It's good.
It starts with the way I get into the mission. Usually I would take either Muni or BART. So it either starts with the sort of screech of the subway or the honking of horns and automobile.
I keep hearing the cars going back and forth.
I hear people shouting a lot.
Finally, a little piece of home in the mission.